Hi friends, today we are going to make a Galarian Farfetch, so let's go. Draw the side view of this Farfetch in cardboard and cut it. I made the Farfetch legs. As we made the Farfetch body, make the staff too. Now you can see that I have covered the Farfetch body with newspaper. You can also see that I have made and joined its wings like a 3D puzzle. In this model making of this Farfetch, the only thing is that we make a 3D puzzle. Cover it with newspaper. Now it's the time for making Farfetch sun dry. After sun drying, he will look like this. He's so strong. This is our Galarian Farfetch. It's now the time for painting him. After painting, he will look like this. Farfetch gave me some poses.